you for listening to the rant. Just having some fun with that. But it's a very serious situation, and we're gonna hold our horses. But I want to make this. It's not. I want to make this. I want to say this. I'm going to say it as plainly and calmly as possible. Us responsible gun owners, leave us be. We go about our daily lives, for the most part, in peace and quiet. When have you heard a concealed carrier going on a rampage? Have you ever heard of that? I'm sure it's happened, but when have you heard that? A concealed carrier today just went off and shot 13 people in a mall. No, you don't hear that kind of thing. You don't. We go about our lives in peace and quiet. All we're trying to do is protect our family, our children, our lives, our land, our property, our homes. Leave us be, because I really don't think you want to open up this can of worms. I really don't. And that's all I got to say about that. Leave responsible gun owners, let us be. Leave us alone. And be careful what you wish for. And that's all I'm going to say about that. Happy New Year to everyone out there, even anti-gunners and those that are ill-informed and ignorant. Happy New Year, all the best to you in 2013. And that sums it up for me. My last vid of the year. Have fun, be safe, stay vigilant. It's party night. Do it safe. See you on the other side. 2013. Oh, resolutions? I got one resolution. I don't make resolutions, but I got one. In 2013, my resolution is to see 2014. Amen to that. You guys take care.